What's up, guys? I am back showing the Unlimited project, and as you can see way down there, my tail and wing from my friend with the 3D printer is complete. Get this gigantic thing laid out. So here it is. Still needs to be sanded and primed and paint. Drew this out on CAD and had my buddy with a Creality CR10S print this. I probably could have done like I did on the front of this tail and left a nice rounded edge on some of these parts here. I didn't do that for these, and sanded them, and once it's all primed and painted, it'll blend in. You won't know the difference, but I sanded those to get the edge kind of filed down. And this center section between the two smaller fins, I don't know if you can see the profile along the fin there, but it's actually an airfoil. So it's a real wing, just like how this tail itself is an airfoil. I plan to have the antenna go through that hole in the middle. I've got to bore that out because the infill software on the 3D printer decided to fill it in. Anyway, it turned out really great. I'm really happy with it. And I guess it helps with a white background, but I've just got it rough cut on there and not mounted or anything yet, but it looks killer. I think it looks pretty sweet. I haven't seen anything quite like that. This thing barely fits on my worktop here. I might actually trim off some of the back of the body because it's a lot longer than it needs to be. Anyway, that's it. I think I'm going to trim some of the length off here, just closer to where the screw holes are, because it doesn't need to be as long all the way to the edge. I got a little excited. I wanted to show everybody this wing and tail. It just looks awesome. All right, that's it for today. Thanks, guys.